My name is Robbie Furman, and I'm with Globos Payasos. And today we're going to design a cute little baby using just a couple of balloons. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to use a R10, which is our mouse head balloons. And what you're going to do is go ahead and inflate this balloon all the way. You're going to make sure you're paying close attention to those low earlobes to make sure they're getting fully inflated. What I like to do is to get about this far and then just squeeze and give a little air into the second ear, just like so. Okay, make sure it's fully inflated, but at the same time not too hard, not too filled. From there, go ahead and give it a regular knot. Okay, that's our first part. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to inflate another R10 balloon, okay, just enough to fill just the two ends. So this is the ends or the ears of the balloon, like so. So you're going to fill it just a little bit towards the bottom. So what I like to do is to fill about this much, tie that off, and what we can do from there is squeeze the air just down into just the ends, like so. Okay. Once you get there, we're going to go ahead and squeeze in the middle, and we're going to twist 1, 2, 3 times, giving ourselves 2 even sections of the bottom of the balloon right here. And you're going to do is just take your first balloon that you blew up, and we're going to tie these 2 balloons together, just regular knot, just like so. Okay, so this is our first part. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go and use a 12-inch round blush balloon, and we're going to go ahead and pump it up about a little bit more than halfway. Okay, right about there for our head of our balloon, our baby boy, baby girl here. So we're going to go ahead and tie that off, and all we're going to do here is we are just going to wrap that nozzle around the 2 bubbles that you made and give it one good knot. Okay, so once you get your head tied to the rest of the body, we're going to go ahead and take a 525. And these are really fun, interesting balloons that have many different bumps to them. So what we're going to be looking for is we only want 4 panels blown up, or 4 compartments. So go ahead and start blowing up your balloon, and you'll see it makes these different compartments. All we're looking for is 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Once you get it fully inflated, go ahead and just give it a little bit soft by letting a little bit of air out. And go ahead and tie off. And from there, we're going to take the nozzle and the tail and bring them together very closely here, to have no gap. And I want you to tie these 2 balloons together, or the 1 balloon, the 2 ends together like so, to make our little bonnet for our baby. From there, we're going to go ahead and take the nozzle or the tail, and I want you to tie this to the other balloons that you've already tied together for the baby body. Okay, just 1 knot is good enough. From there, we're going to take the head of our baby, and we're actually going to pull it or push it into the bonnet. Okay, just play with that a little bit there, just push it just like so. And you have to decide how far you want to go in, but I like to be about halfway. Okay, this way the bonnet rests perfectly onto the baby's head. Okay, just like so. Now, from there, you could do your own artwork, you could do some marker work, but I prefer to use stickers. And what I'm doing right now is I'm using stickers from a company called Bada Boom Stickers. And what they do is they make lots of really fun, easy stickers. And this one's called a transfer sticker. So what I'm going to be able to do is to pull off the backing of all the eyes onto this little film, what's called transfer tape. And I'm going to be able to take this and go right to the baby and figure out the best place to put it. Position it right where you want it, and what I do is I just rub the sticker right onto the balloon. Once you get rubbed on there, you get all the pieces on, you can then easily just pull back the transfer tape. And what's great about it, it puts everything right into position. I don't even need to look to see if I'm doing it right. As long as the tape the stickers come right off. Look at that. Make sure you get all the sticker right off. And you have yourself a little baby just like so. These are great, again, you could use them as centerpieces for a table at a party. You could put them on the gift table. If you have a column, maybe you're going to build these up, put them on an arch. So many different things you could do with these quick designs. And these are all balloons you can find from Globos Payasos. I love these balloons. So if you haven't done already, go out to find these balloons at your local distributor and start making some babies today. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next video.